da and Shemai. Hello and good morning. My name is Joe and today I'm going to be showing you how to do frappes at the bar. But before we begin, please make sure that you've read the safety disclaimer provided on all our social media platforms and our website. Please make sure that you've got enough space around you so that when we begin you're not going to bump into anything. And also it would be a really good idea to do a warm-up before we begin this tutorial. And you can do this by doing your own cardio and then following some of the previous day's videos on our YouTube channel. So we're going to start the exercise in fifth position, and if you can place one of your hands on your version of a bar, which could be a chair or a surface or anything that you can hold on to. I'm going to use my crutches. So we're going to start in fifth position, and then on the introduction we'll tendu the leg to à la seconde and then bring it into a flex coup de pied. So we're going to have one slow frappé devant, two quick ones, a double piqué, back to coup de pied and flexed. So we're going to have this en croix. So then we go second, two quick frappés, a double piqué to close derrière. Then we go derrière, in, two quick frappés, a double piqué there. Now in the music there'll be a little bit of a hold. So then we're going to do a double en croix, to then close derrière to again go from the back. So throughout this exercise our arms are going to remain in second position, and it's really important that we try as much as we can to maintain this position throughout the exercise, so we don't want any elbows drooping like that, and we want to make sure that we really engage the muscles here to make sure that we can hold our arms. Another thing to focus on when we're doing battement frappé is to think about the knee being back, because we really want to turn that leg out from the hip. So every time we come back to the position you want to bring the knee back and make sure that we maintain the turn out from the hips. So what I like to think of when we're doing a battement frappé, because frappé in French means to strike, is it's almost like your foot is a match along the floor, and then as it points it's the flame. So you need to get enough pressure and dynamic to light the candle or the flame. Now I'm going to do the exercise with the music, and I want to thank David Plumpton for letting me use his music. Two quick ones and a double piqué, bring it back, à la seconde and one. And two quick ones, double piqué, and bring it back, do we go derrière. And two quick ones, double piqué, and a little hold, to go double, and a double, and a double, and a double from the back, and a two quick ones, a double piqué, and close, side, and two quick ones, double piqué, bring it to front, and two quick ones, and a double piqué, and a hold, to go derrière, à la seconde, devant, à la seconde, and finish. As the exercise is quite fast, we want to make sure that we can maintain the positions and not have any involvement from the hips. So especially in derrière, we don't want the hips to come in and out when we're doing the frappé. So another thing you can think about is making sure that we use the core and really pull out from the top of our head and engage the core muscles. So then we can hopefully avoid any of those hips getting involved in any of the positions and free up the leg to get that nice strong dynamic for the exercise. Exercise with our arms in bras bas, and you can start the exercise with either one of your arms, just make sure that you do both sides. So we're going to go out and in, à la seconde and in, derrière and in, two claps. Then we go two, devant, two, à la seconde, two, derrière, and then we take the arm through first, fifth, second, down to repeat from the back, from the beginning. So it's really important that we get the right dynamic with our arms as well. So you almost want to imagine that you're digging in the sand, and it's almost like you're flicking a bit of sand away from you. But obviously we don't want to use this to get that action. We really want to engage these muscles and use that to get the right dynamic for the exercise. And also it's really important as well that we don't get any involvement from the shoulders, so we want to maintain the squareness of the shoulders and make sure we maintain our posture throughout the exercise. And finish. Thank you so much for tuning into today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please make sure that you keep an eye out on all our social media platforms and our YouTube channel for new videos posted every single day. We've got some really exciting things coming up. So on Sunday we're having a showing of the 2018 production of Cinderella at 2 p.m, so make sure you tune in and see that. And you can also hear about Robbie, who played the prince in that production, and his experience of dancing in it as well. So once again, thank you for tuning in, and I really hope to see you again soon. And please make sure that you continue to send us lots of photos, videos, so we can see what you're getting up to and how you're staying active. Thank you again, and bye for now.